Hi, I'm Anna from Edu4U, and today we will talk about day studies in the UK. Also, we will talk about what Edu4U can offer to you. Normal mode studies, also known as full-time studies, typically involve attending classes on campus for 4 days a week. This mode of learning offers a structured and immersive educational experience. Normal mode studies, also known as full-time studies, are most suitable for students who are seeking a structured and immersive educational experience. This mode of learning is ideal for individuals who have the time and commitment to attend classes on campus for 4 days a week. It's especially well suited for those who are able to prioritize their studies and engage actively in classroom discussions, group projects, and other campus-based activities. Entry requirements for day mode: high school or 11 years of education, settled or pre-settled status, and English level starting from A2. What do you need to apply? Scan of your ID card or passport, secondary school certificate, diploma, translation and original, and cover letter, followed by the settlement status confirmation. Let's see some amazing universities available. Montfort University is one of the fastest growing universities in the United Kingdom. University of Greenwich. The main campus of the University of Greenwich is located in the former Royal Naval College, which is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage. University of Roehampton. Studying in Roehampton will give you the best of both worlds, the community feel and safety of a traditional university campus. How does it work? If you are interested, you need to contact us on WhatsApp. Our consultants will help you choose a university and course. Then we'll do your application online, and finally you can start the university. Remember that our help is free. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in starting a university or college in the UK, please contact us on WhatsApp. Remember that our help is free. We can't wait to hear from you.